I called down to the front desk last night and said, I want a wake up call at 8 a.m., please. But I'm a heavy sleeper, so just do whatever you can to make sure I wake up. And they're living up to their promise of an 8 a.m. wake up call. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're a heavy sleeper? Okay, we're gonna bang on your wall with a sledgehammer. Oh, sir, you think you'll sleep through the sledgehammer banging? That's okay. We've got a jackhammer service. We've got a jackhammer service, sir. We'll start up our jackhammers. We'll start up our jackhammers at 8 in the morning. But at least you're going to have a wonderful view, sir. Yes, sir. No, yes, sir. No, we've placed a huge air conditioning system right outside of your window for your Las Vegas viewing pleasure. No, yes, sir, of course. Yes, sir, we have lots of pipes and shit around there. Oh, yeah, you'll be able to open your window at least probably like, I don't know, 3 inches maybe? Oh, that's probably 6 inches. Good, 6 inches. You can get that window open. Get you some fresh air. No, yes, sir. Oh, okay. You say you're trying to lose some weight, sir? Well, good. We've got a bathroom for you. That's as far as your door is going to open, sir. So if you want to take a shit or go to the bathroom, you're going to have to lose some weight. Because that's it. That's how far the door is going to open. So, yes, sir. We offer all this service to you at no extra cost. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, sir. If you want to dodge things on the floor that haven't been vacuumed up, we can make sure to sprinkle some stuff on there. You having a tough time sleeping for some reason?
Oh yeah, all the knocking, crazy. It started so early too. I can't believe that. Definitely would file a complaint on it and can't get no sleep.
You can't sleep with a jackhammer?
Right?
What's wrong? What? Oh man. Just can't sleep with a jackhammer going on. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. I'm gonna leave the jackhammer in Vegas. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh well. I'm gonna call the front desk and see if they'll send me up a pot of coffee so I can wake up. Anyway, how's that for a hotel room review? At least I got a walk-in closet. Oh well, I'll try to make the best of this. Oh, they're literally banging that sledgehammer right under my bed. Literally. I can feel when they hit it. I can feel it vibrating the bed and the floor.